Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Eye Comfort Shield schedule on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on displayed. Then go down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Next, make sure that you choose Custom, and then tap on Set Schedule. In here, you can choose Always On, Sunset to Sunrise, so you can set your Eye Comfort Shield to automatically turn on between sunset to sunrise, or you can set a custom time by selecting the custom option from the pop-up. In here, you can choose a start time and end time. So by default, it is set to 7 p.m. So if you want to set it, say, to at 8 p.m., it will automatically turn on Eye Comfort Shield. And then tap on the end tab at the top, and you can say 6 a.m. it will end. And then tap on Done. And then that's it. So that's how you can set a schedule for your Eye Comfort Shield to turn on or turn off automatically. So if you want to simply turn off set schedule, just go back to Always On, and then in here you can just turn on or off like that, and that's it. Finally, just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.